Hello everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I will prepare classic chicken masala using a very simple recipe. Chicken masala is cooked in every region in India, with every variety having a local distinct flavor. For this recipe of classic chicken masala, I will use ingredients that are easily available at all Indian kitchens and can be prepared easily by all. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Wash the chicken pieces, drain and transfer them to a large bowl. Now to marinate the chicken, add salt to taste, ginger and garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, ghee. Mix them well and marinate the chicken for at least 1 to 2 hours. Since I'm using country chicken, I marinated the chicken for 3 to 4 hours. Take a kadai and once it heats, add mustard oil and let it smoke. Then add all the whole spices, green cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon sticks, star anise, fennel seeds, dry red chili, bay leaf. Stir and fry for a few seconds, then add the sliced onions and fry till they turn brown. Now add tomatoes and a pinch of salt and cook till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Then add the marinated chicken, mix well and cook on low flame. Cover the kadai and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or till the chicken pieces start turning light brown in color. Keep stirring the chicken at regular intervals and do not add any water. Once the chicken has become soft and tender, add half to 1 cup of water to the kadai, give it a good mix and taste the gravy for seasoning. If required, add some salt. Now cover and bring it to boil on high flame, then lower the flame to medium and simmer till you get the desired consistency of gravy. Turn off the heat and serve hot. Classic chicken masala can be served with rice, roti or paratha. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.